Good afternoon, traders. Daily chart on the SPY. We are short the SPY. It hit a high today, and it did, and we can see it hit right into my trend line and then sold off. The SPY shot straight up and made a higher high and then collapsed, was down $1.90 at one point. We think that we're going to come back in here to that 20-day and will make us a great profit with our SPY puts. We have the 580s, 575 puts, and we have the 570. Okay, so we should be down a lot more, but we know that we took some profits off of the table and everything did exactly what it should do. There was the fourth day, fifth, sixth day. There is the seventh day of the trend. We see a correction coming, that all the good news is priced in and the market is currently overvalued at this point. Good luck. Sign up.